sump pump, an old catch basin, less than a year old. You're looking at the new catch basin being installed. The liner filled with 57 gravel, ABS pipe, screens to prevent sump pump from being clogged, tied in downspouts, discharged at least 20-30 feet from the house, backfilled with gravel, silk lining. Right here, you're looking at a Myers 1/3 horsepower sump pump that is a clean out and also a drain. There's the old sump pump we pulled out that's less than a year old. A couple weeks later, came back and put some river rock over this, which we do not have pictures of. This is testing out. As you see, we put screen over all holes to prevent things from getting into trash animals. And this is the discharge. It reduces from a 1 inch from sump pump to a 4-inch pop top. It's very costly, but it's very effective.